What's up guys, this is Adam from GC4U, and today I'm going to show you how to take apart an Xbox 360 Pro. First step, remove the hard drive, which is just basically the top. I have a special one. Get that out of there. As you can see, that's out. Now the first thing, faceplate. Pops right off. Once that's off, you'll see that there's this thing on the top, and there's these holes. There's multiple pins you need to press in these holes, and if you look closely, you can find them. There we go. Got that worthless piece of annoying garbage off of there. That's out. Got another one at the bottom. Probably more difficult, but just push up. I don't really care, just press somewhere above these things. They'll pop off. With just a screwdriver, it doesn't matter what you can, just make sure you fit in one of the holes. There we go. I don't feel like removing this foot pad, but there we go. Those are off. Those little spawns of Satan pieces. Don't really need them. Put that back on. The real take apart, you have to take apart the faceplate. What's behind the faceplate more? So there's these 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, the bottom I figured out is actually supposed to come off, not the top, surprisingly. Pull this, bottom will be released. Pull of these, bottom comes off. This is actually extremely difficult to get off, so I just pulled a bunch in different places, and there's clips behind here that you have to hit. Look at that. Right off. Boom! Really loud, really annoying. There you go. Microsoft really does not want you to take this apart, so they make it as difficult as humanly possible. Now this is the underside, and there are several screws that we need to remove that hold it in. The screws, you will see that when you take off, are chrome T10 safety screwdriver. I just got this. Really cool. So we will remove those. T10 safety. That allows it for the, well, I guess it doesn't really need to be safety, but if you get a safety screwdriver, it has the indent in the middle, and that allows you to take apart your controller in my previous video. There you go. I'll take it apart. Now I gotta do is pop off the necessary pieces, make sure that doesn't fall off. Got these. Screws for holding in the back. There we go. There and there. Voila. Okay. There you go. Your Xbox 360 Pro. It is basically just a computer that has been souped up for gaming. Just remove one thing here. There we go. Look at that. You can replace a CD drive. What I recommend, get everything clear. So get a metal top removed, put plastic, clear plastic on that, and get a completely clear plastic case. Just make sure everything's get out of here. CD drive, pretty basic, standard computer, and fan. 2 fans to these the heat sinks. And if you are watching this video just to learn, but a new thing you should learn is to prevent the red ring of death. That's actually caused by overheating. So what I would do, get a vacuum, suck all this lint and dust out of here. Very complicated work, and you can get an upgrade in your fans. Don't even know why you would do it, but you can. You can get all new plastic outsides for it. Get like MW3 casing for it, whatever. Thanks for watching.